this group of short gamer on CG Prophunt 1. I am now a prop. I'll try to fit in with my kind. I blend in with my people. Except, there's too many codes.
Me, hi!
The OxyClean detergent ball.
Oh no! Oh no! No! Oh no.
I hate you, you fucking dick weenie!
Uh-oh. Don't worry guys, well, Jesus will avenge our death. He'll kill them one by one.
Jesus will kill you with fucking gravity.
He killed our teammate,
you killed
what
yourself.
the hell? He turned on us.
Doesn't like you.
I guess he told us. Oh, there goes one of them, finally.
Fuck me. Fuck me, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me.
Doggo's gonna catch you.
Uh-oh. The dog's gonna do some things you don't want to know. He's gonna do many things to you.
Doggo's gonna catch you good.
He's looking you up, man.
I'm gonna
Just hide under the car. They can't kill you. Just hide under the car. They can't.
Oh, rip.
Okay, I'm going to TTT. This is pissing me off.
TTT's not that fun.
TTT is more of a rager thing than me.
I was trying to play TTT earlier and people were just fucking killing everyone, no matter what.
Actually, I'd be more like the one who wants to RDM and say, I wasn't me with that guy.
Yeah, and then you're the T.
And then you get fucking banned and that shit.
I had a T RDMB.
You don't know what it means?
No, I know what it means, but I had a terrorist RDMB.
Oh, okay.
And I was the last person like that was innocent alive.
Ah, okay.
It made no sense.
That's some weird shit, man. To be the last man alive and then the last terrorist kills you with an RDM.
Yeah, no, it's like literally they're all coming up to me and just fucking raiding my ass.
Rip.
Not literally, but
You might have to go to therapy, man, if that happened to you.
it was really dramatic.
I don't know anything about therapy, but I know they do a lot of good shit sometimes. Maybe they go the wrong way too, who knows?
Fucking Christ.
Oh my goodness, we win, man, we win. We all died, we won.
Jesus always won.
There goes two people. Uh-oh. Who wants to have a fist fight?
I like fisticuffs.
Oh man.
5.
I'm gonna punch people now.
Wow.
Uh-oh, look at my hands, they're so gross. I feel like a zombie now with these damn hands.
Oh!
Oh, hello.
Doggo!
Yeah, it's a prop. Kill it. Kill the prop.
Bad
kill it.
doggo.
Here, use the code. Use the code. Kill it with the code. Oh! Kill it with the code. Oh, it's attacking us with the code. Run!
It's a bad doggo.
It's attacking us. Nope, that's not gonna happen, man.
Bad doggo.
Bad dog.
Oh, bad doggo.
Man. Give me. Pick up the prop. I need it. Give me this. Give me that code. Ow! It hit me. Ah! Ah! It hit me. It hit me, man. Help, the dog's attacking.
What's that noise?
Move. Where's that dog? Where's that dog? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I gotta put it down. Gotta put him down. You're gonna be put down, little doggy. Sorry. Come back. You're gonna be put down, little dog. Yeah, I did it. I put it down. almost done with my job, boys. Almost job, man. I'm almost job. Come on, buddy. I gotta touch you, man.
No!
Get off me with that shit!
It's a
No!
revenge of the cone.
Oh! There's a cone on my head! Help! There's a cone on my head! Help me! Okay, it's finally over. It's finally over! It's time to die! Yeah!
No!
He doesn't know how to do it. Oh, hell yeah. Let's see now.
It's so easy, even your kids can do it.
This is how you let a puppy guys.
Hi, it's Vince with Sham Wow. You'll be saying wow
Rip.
every time you use this towel.
Wow.
Sam wow.
Sam, wow.
Sam wow, man.
Wow.
Always say wow.
Wow.
Look, a turtle. It's a turtle. What?
Do you like turtles?
Yes, I do. I like it when I put on someone's head. Come here, sir. Let me put it on your head. It's gonna be a turtle hat. Oh.
Hello! Hello!
No.
Hello.
No. No. No.
Oh my
Hey,
god.
Anderson, can you hear me? Anderson, can you hear me?
No.
Okay. Ron Pee-Pee!
No!
No.
Hey, you want a free cone, sir? I'll put it on your head.
X. Is yours X?
Whee! Woohoo! 5 points. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe if you wish to see more. You have yourselves a good day. Goodbye!